We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you want to go and download and install apps on it. We'll guide you through exactly how this can be done step by step, so make sure it's this full guide. Of course, you may want to get a productivity app for work, maybe some type of email app or another type of work app, or perhaps you want to go and get some games you want to go and play on your phone. You can even get apps to go and stream different shows and movies as well. So there's so many different apps you can go and get. So to go and get started with this, we need to make sure the App Store is enabled. So what we need to do is come into settings like so, go and scroll down like so. Then you want to go and find the option for screen time, scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. Then you want to go and find iTunes and App Store purchases and go and find installing apps. And this needs to be set to allow. This will then go and enable and allow us to use the App Store. So you go and enter in your screen time passcode. If you don't know it, you have to get the person set it up to enter it. Or if you forgot it, you can come back here to the main screen time settings, scroll down and press change screen time passcode, press change, and you can press forgot and you can go and reset it. Then once you know the code, you can go and allow installing apps. When you go and do that, you then go and see the App Store. So the App Store is how you can go and download and install apps. If you're struggling to go and find it on your phone, you can drag down and go and type in App Store, and there it is. It will then go and open up. So here we are in the App Store. Now, once you've got it open, to go and get apps, you'll need to go and have an Apple account or an App Store account, essentially. To do this, you then need to go to the top right and go and press your profile icon. You may go and see an account at the top here. If you do, that's fine. You're ready to go and start getting apps. Otherwise, you can press sign in with Apple account, and you can go and press continue here if that is you. If it's not you, you have to press not, and then you'll be prompted to go and sign in, enter in your email or phone number, then you can go and press continue and you can enter in your password and start using it. If you don't have an Apple account, we've got guides on how you can create them, but you can go and create them on the web. Now I'm going to go and sign in. I'll press sign in and press continue as that is me there. Just go and wait for it to go and update. As you can see, we're signing in. So I've now got my account here. Now what we can do is start finding some different apps. So in the App Store, you're going to go and find there are free apps, but there are also paid ones as well. So if we go and we can actually switch to different sections, you've got games, apps, and arcade. Let's go and say I press apps. Then we can start scrolling through here. So if the app says get, this means that you can go and get it for free, but there are in-app purchases. So you can get started with it for free. You're also going to notice that on some apps, there is just a price tag. So we'll go and tell you the amount. I can't see any right now, but if there's an amount, you have to go and then pay for it. So for example, let's go and say I wanted to go and get, let me find an app here. I wanted to go and get Veed here. What I could do is go and press get to the right. Then what's going to happen is we'll go and get this pop-up here. You need to go down here and go and press install. Depending upon the setup, you then may need to go and enter in the password for your Apple account, or you can just go and use Face ID sometimes. So in this case, I'll just go and enter in my password. Let me do that now. I now have, and I'll go and press confirm like this. Then it will go and say done. And now you can go and see it circling and spinning. So this will shortly go and change to a progress circle. As you can see, we can now go and see it downloading. Depending upon your internet connection and the size of the app, the longer that will take or how fast it will take. Then when it's finished, you can go and press open, but also you're going to find it on your phone. As you can see, there it is. You can also go and drag down and go and search for it if needed. Then you can open it up and go and start using it. So you go and get the idea. You can go and repeat that for more apps as well. So you're going to find loads of different ones. If there's a specific one you want, of course, you can press search in the bottom right and go and search for it. So let's say I wanted to go and get Minecraft. I could go and type that in, and here it is. I've actually gone and bought this before, but this is usually a paid app. If you've had an app before, you'll go and see the cloud icon. So that's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.